Deep inside the mind of Sam, a young teenager living an ordinary life, an extraordinary battle is about to begin. The brain's delicate balance is under attack by an invisible enemy.
Fools, your time of harmony is over. Soon, chaos will reign supreme.
Knights to the central hub. The brain is under attack. Neuron Knights assemble. Toxica's pollution is spreading fast. If we don't act, Sam's focus, memory, and emotions will be at risk.
I'll scout ahead and re-establish the signal paths.
I'll keep the emotional circuits stable.
Leave defense to me. Nothing gets past the barrier.
I'll repair the neurons she's damaged.
Good, let's move out.
As darkness spreads, the Neuroknights assemble to defend the brain from the growing storm. Riding the neural pathways, the Neuroknights arrive at the hippocampus where Sam's memories are under attack.
We're losing Sam's memories of their happiest moments.
Synapse, create a diversion. Glia, stabilize those memories.
Too slow, Toxica. Try catching lightning. Glia, now's your chance.
I'm putting them back together.
You think you can stop me? I am everywhere.
Not today, Toxica.
Outside, Sam begins to feel the effects, their mind growing foggy and unfocused.
I've been feeling off lately. Maybe I need to start eating better.
Sam's making a conscious choice. That'll help us fight.
The Neuroknights have stopped her for now, but the threat still remains.
This isn't over, Neuro Knights. I'll be back.
And we'll be ready. Team, great work today. Let's keep Sam's brain in balance.
Let's see how strong you really are, Neuroknights.
Next time on the Neuroknights Chronicles, addiction invades the reward system. Will the Neuroknights prevail? Stay tuned.